So guys, we are here at Exotic Aqua in Dehiwala. So the owner's name is Ahmed, and he has also a lot of monsters at the moment. So you guys can come and check this out too. So I'll be doing a little touring out here. So stay tuned for that. He has this amazing red tail catfish for 18k. It's 18 inches or 20 inches to 18 inches large. So he's selling it for 18k. Actually, the fish is in really good condition. You guys can see that. So you guys can visit the place and buy it if you're on your desire. He has lots of fish varieties, so I'll do a video on those too. The personality of this fish is really amazing. You guys can see. Over here he has some tin foil barbs and the one flagtail over here. This is the flagtail barb. And so this is, as I remember, it was a Ellicherry and Amsogi. Yeah, we'll ask it from the owner. So the albino silver arowana, a couple of Oscars, 3 Oscars. So it's actually around a 5 feet or 6 feet tank. From the corner, if you look, it's 5 feet or 6 feet tank. So here we have the owner of the shop. It's Mr. Ahmed.
Hi.
So can you explain a little bit about the location?
Okay, so we are situated in Dehiwala Vaidya Road, Sinta Place. We've been up and running for about 3 years from this location, prior to which I was abroad in the UAE as well as Malaysia, where I record my experience on fish keeping. So currently we are into exotic fish and rare types of fish which are not available. Due to the current situation where it's a bit difficult, where many of the people are unable to import fish, we are currently suffering a little bit. However, as much hope that can be put into would be really helpful for us in order for us to get more fish and also educate and teach all the youth about fish keeping and this beautiful hobby, especially catch and release, especially rehabilitation, especially taking care of our local endemic species of fish.
Yeah. Can you explain what this type is actually?
Alright, so this is a Baisha that I currently have. It's supposedly an Endlichery, but due to the markings we are unable to verify if it's an Endlichery or an Ansogi / Endlichery hybrid. It's a one of a kind and currently just in the market. I supposedly am the only person with one at the moment. However, I'm not 100% sure, but at the same time I have been keeping it as my pet and it's been with me for well over a year and a half.
How large is this tank actually?
So this tank is a 6 by 2 by 2, which is standardly known as a 150 to 170 gallon aquarium, and currently houses my pet albino arowana and my 3 pet Oscars and my Endlichery. So these are the fish that I'm currently keeping in my hobby. Currently, since we are unable to get fish, we don't have more. Otherwise, I usually have a big collection of fish over here.
So you are selling any of these, right?
So these I'm not really selling, these are some of my pets, but it depends if I can find a better home for them. I'm always on the lookout for better homes for my fish and also especially taking care of them. So these are not for sale, however.
These Delanoids?
Yeah, so I do have a collection over here which is some young monsters. What we do have is an Indo Tiger that I received in February 2019 currently, and I do have a flagtail Procylodus over there, which is the red flagtail, and that one is a younger version of fish that I currently have. I also do have a few rare types of plecos that you see over here. That's known as the gold nugget pleco, followed by which I have a green phantom pleco, and I also have a royal pleco in the corner over there behind the filtration. On the top of the filtration you can see over there that I have a granulated catfish. This is also a little bit of a rare type of fish that's currently not very common in the local market, but at the same time I'm keeping them as my pet. If I do meet the right person to take care of them and give them a proper home, I will always be able to find out better homes for them.
How large is the tank?
So this is a 4 by 1 by 1, 4 by 1.5 by 1.5 tank, roughly around 75 gallons. It's a nice aquarium to keep up and coming monsters in, but eventually you will need to shift to a larger tank, which would be
Grower tank.
Yeah, this is what you call a grower tank, which is just in the beginning stages of growing out monsters to a larger size.
What about the...
So this is some green terror stock that I managed to pick up recently. However, there is a mix of green terror and Heckley cichlids here as well. so I'm unable to identify them at sight. However, if an experienced person is able to come and visit the store, they are able to tell the difference between the Hercules and the green terror. So these are a recent stock that I managed to pick up. It was quite uncommon, but still yet I found them. And they seem like very interesting fish to get at the time. So I was really interested in getting some of them, and I did. These are for sale. I'm currently selling them a little bit at a time. And if anyone's interested, they can always contact us on our Facebook or Instagram page. We go as Exotic Aqua LK on Instagram and Exotic Aqua on Facebook.
What about this RTC? It was really an interesting fish.
Yeah, so this RTG has been here for roughly around 3 months. I got him at a younger size, and he was only used to eating meat. However, I have now trained him to be taking pellets, and he's a very interesting kind of fish now. His hand trained, his tamed, he comes up and eats to the hand. As you can see, he's always ready, he's always active, always looking for his next meal.
Yeah.
He's a lovely fish to have.
His personality is also really grown up.
Yeah, he's a very, very attractive looking fish. As you can see, he's very active, very inquisitive, always looking for new things, always looking for a big home. I'm sad to keep him in this tank currently, but as I have the glow empty tanks at the moment, I will be keeping him here and then shifting him into his forever home. Preferably, I'm looking for someone who has a pond or someone who has a really large community tank that they can pack this guy into, and he can really show his true colors. He's a lovely fish.
What about this tank? How much are they?
Here we have some flagtail and some tinfoil barbs which I've put in order to condition the fish and keep them active. These are also pellet trained, and these are quite common in the local market. I do have flagtails, however flagtails are a bit rare, while on the other hand tinfoil barbs are a bit common. It's readily available in the market where the local breeders are doing their best efforts in order to keep the market full with tinfoil barbs.
So this is the place. Actually, it's a really great good fish. He will be getting actually more fish once the shipments are going. So what about these Oscars prices and stuff?
So these Oscars that I have here are known as copper Oscars. I currently do have 2 available pairs, 2 which are bonded pairs, and 2 on the other hand which are common pairs.
Yeah.
As you can see, the coloration is really good. I haven't fed any color feed, just been giving them natural diet and natural food, which is bugs, little bit of meat and a little bit of fish at the same time. These fish are really healthy. They've been given their medication, they're deworming, and they're currently in that process now. However, Oscars are a little bit of messy eaters, but at the same time they are really interesting fish to have because they're quite common, and at the same time the colorations that they show on their body are really beautiful. We do have smaller Oscars over there, which are the tiger Oscars, which are also a bit common. This is the last stock that I was able to manage to grab. These were quite nice. I bought them quite small actually, at around 1.5 inches of size, and I've been growing them and totally pellet trained them as well to their diet. I've been feeding them the good high quality Coppens pellets as well as some Hikari Biogold and some other varieties of fish food in order to keep their colors really high. So these fish are my grow outs as of now. They still haven't attained their maturity yet, but once they do, I hope to see them breeding and in the hands of someone who is a breeder in order that they can actually repopulate without having to bring down these varieties of fish and have them here in the market as well.
So all the fish here are given natural food and best food of them.
Yes,
you
definitely. All of these fish from my guppies, from the guppies that I have over here up until the arowanas, everything has been given natural diet, healthy food, and we change the diet on and off. Every week we have a different rotation of food and diet in order to keep the fish as healthy as possible.
What prices of those plecos? I really am interested in those too.
Alright, so actually these plecos aren't for sale because they're quite rare, and I'm the only one who has some of them now that I've been keeping for display, while many people tend to keep them away. So these, what I'm doing is I'm keeping them as my display fish, and I'm not really interested in selling them, but at the same time I'm also keen on having them over here in order for more people to get awareness on plecos and realize that they aren't just the common tanky suddhas or tanky cleaners that they actually call, while they really have beautiful coloration, beautiful varieties, different feeding habits, and very interesting. And they're really rare. Yeah, Exactly, they're very rare. If they were quite common, everyone would be having it. So actually they're really quite rare over here and very easier for us to take really good care of.
So the shop is open every weekdays, right? So
The shop
weekends.
is open weekends to weekdays. We are open from 10 a.m. in the morning up until this. We do undertake specific time. We are closed on Wednesdays, which is the days when we give the fish a day off, and just the days when we diet and we keep the fish off foods in order to check medical conditions and take really good care of our fish.
Yeah, so you guys can check out the fish and buy it, and the price is really reasonable, and the food are given the best quality food. So you guys can contact him. I'll put the link in the description, all his contacts, social medias, contact numbers, all. You guys can contact him and come visit the shop.
Yeah, thank you so much. Like and subscribe, guys.
Thank you.